Starting a website can be both a rewarding and lucrative venture that opens exciting opportunities. Through a website, you can establish yourself as a credible expert in your field, earn a part-time or full-time income, and connect with like-minded people who share your interests and passions. In this video, I'll explain to you how to start a website step by step and make money from it no matter your experience level. Before we get started, welcome to Finance Dailies, where we teach you how to make money in the simplest way. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more important video. If you're ready to start a website but don't know where to start, these steps will set you up for success, regardless of your ultimate goals. First, pick a domain name and a niche. Firstly, you have to pick a name and niche for your new blog. Your blog's name is what readers will see first, so it should ideally represent either the general topics you'll be writing about, or it could be your own name, that of your business, a clever combination of words, or otherwise. Your blog's niche is the general topic area that you'll be focusing your content around. Examples include blog topics like travel, food, fashion, lifestyle, technology, and otherwise. Incorporating a word or two that clearly signals what your content is about within the name of your blog, like fashionbejane.com or hikewithryan.com, will be very helpful for your future blog readers. Number 2. Get your blog online, web hosting. The second step in starting a website is actually getting your website online. That's what a web hosting company will do for you. In this step, you'll be selecting the blogging platform and web hosting plan you'll use to get your blog online. First, you'll select a hosting plan. Inputting your blog name comes next. Personally, I recommend choosing the Choice Plus plan because it comes with domain privacy. This will protect your personal information, especially your full name, email address, phone number, and home address, from being published anywhere online. Number 3. Start your blog by installing WordPress. Next, you will install WordPress, which is free. Don't let the word install intimidate you, though. It's much easier than it sounds, and GoDaddy Host does all the work for you. Number 4. Pick a theme and a plugin. A theme allows you to pick a design for your blog without the need for coding expertise or design knowledge. A good theme helps you to design your blog exactly how you want it to look. If you're not a programmer, then a theme makes the design work a million times easier. Number 5. Write your first blog post. Creating high-quality content is what will bring you readers and help you to eventually make money blogging. If you want to make money from your blog, you'll also want to do a bit of research to see if there is a market demand for your niche. What I mean is, are people actively searching for what you're writing about? And can you add value and help them in a way that makes you money? Now, let's do a little keyword research. Enter your keyword into your Google search. If there are tens of millions, or more, results, that's a pretty strong indicator that people care about this specific topic. But to be extra sure, I like to use a free tool like TwinWord Ideas to check the monthly search volume. How many people are searching for this term each month? Do this for each of your keywords and look at the results. If all of your top keywords have a monthly search volume of 5,000 to 10,000, you've definitely got a potentially profitable niche. If you're too much over that, into the high hundreds of thousands of monthly searches, you might want to get more specific with your niche rather than competing with much larger, established websites on more popular subjects. Your goal will eventually be to learn how to rank higher on Google than all these competitors. Number 6. Promote your blog and get readers. Now that we in 2023, try and generate as many readers to your blog. We're going to use my experience in going from starting a blog to quickly driving millions of readers to my content. What do you do once you've hit publish on your first blog posts? It's time to learn how to promote your blog content. The obvious first place to turn when you want to find readers is social media. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok are some of the biggest networks today. Whichever platform best suits your niche and audience interests is the right one for you. And that's an important note. There's no point in trying to promote your blog posts on every social media platform. Number 7. Make money from your blog. There's a reason why making money from your blog is at the end of this guide to starting a blog. Unless you have a huge audience somewhere already, you can still make money right away. Even still, it's good to have an idea of which ways you'd like to make money blogging as you go into this new adventure, especially if you prioritize passive income. Some of these monetization strategies will be easier than others to implement while your readership is still growing. Ultimately, growing a successful blog all boils down to being excited and engaged with your new blog. If you want people to read what you're writing, you need to give them a reason to. Write exciting content, connect with people in your niche, and enthusiastically share what you're working on. If you follow these guides, you will start making money easily. That will be all today. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.